For years, the United States has held the crown as the undisputed leader in artificial intelligence. Tech giants like OpenAI, Google, Meta, and Nvidia have driven groundbreaking innovations, pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities. But in January, the narrative took an unexpected turn. A relatively unknown AI research lab from China, DeepSeek, released an open-source model that has quickly become the talk of Silicon Valley. The question now is, can the US innovate fast enough to maintain its leadership, or will the balance of power in artificial intelligence shift irreversibly? The invincible narrative of America's AI dominance has been shattered. DeepSeek has shown that a small, focused team with limited resources can disrupt even the most well-established players. It's about ingenuity, efficiency, and a fresh approach to problem-solving. The rush to launch Stargate highlights the growing pressure on the US to adapt to a rapidly shifting AI landscape. DeepSeek's success is proof that AI innovation is no longer just about funding or infrastructure. The ambitious initiative promises to create more than 100,000 jobs and cement America's AI leadership. But DeepSeek's achievements challenge the status quo, casting doubt on America's invincibility in AI innovation and raising questions about the high valuations of companies like Nvidia. DeepSeek's rise comes at a time when the US and China are locked in a tech cold war. US export controls have restricted China's access to Nvidia's advanced AI chips, forcing Chinese companies to focus on downstream applications. This success has disrupted the long-standing dominance of US-based companies and reshaped the global AI landscape. By revamping the foundational architecture of AI models and focusing on resource efficiency, DeepSeek has emerged as a formidable force. The startup developed this groundbreaking model in just 2 months with a budget of under $6 million, a stark contrast to OpenAI's $100 million spent on training GPT-4. What sets DeepSeek apart is its efficiency. DeepSeek's technological breakthrough has taken the world by surprise. Their flagship model, DeepSeek R1, is an advanced reasoning AI that has surpassed benchmarks on several critical tasks and topped the charts as the most downloaded free app on Apple's App Store in the US.